Mr. Upchurch, if you haven't picked anybody, me and my dad would like to have the opportunity to do the gun rack for you.
I am a small business owner, veteran-owned and operated woodworking shop in Southwest Oklahoma called Dark Horse Creations. The reason why I started TikTok is because of this kid. He wanted to be on TikTok. He's infatuated with it, but he also wanted to learn how to do woodworking. And so that's what my TikTok is about. You may not see him in a lot of the videos, but he is there. He brought this video to me and said, "Hey Dad, this would be a great learning experience for me as well. Not only would I be able to do something for Upchurch, but I would also learn how to do the woodworking in the process as well." He is a big fan of yours. Every time we go somewhere, we had a show up in Tulsa this weekend. He's like, "Dad, let's listen to Upchurch's new album." So we did. I'm a big fan too. I love all your music. So does my daughter. She's sitting over there. You're not going to see her though. But anyway, give us the opportunity. I don't care about the money. You can keep the money for the labor. What I would ask money for is the material cost. What you're doing is you're providing me the opportunity to work with my son, giving him the learning experience, and possibly meeting you one day, if with your permission. So give me a holler. All my information is in the contact information of TikTok, Instagram. I got YouTube out there. I may not have the experience as all of these other woodworkers out there, but I damn sure can do it. I could do fractal burning, which is right here and right there. I have a lot of other woodworking experiences as well. But he is my motivation to keep me going. I'm learning just as much as him, and we would appreciate you giving us the opportunity to make in your gun rack for your next music videos.